It's called the incredible Gift Giver Extraordinaire, and it's the centerpiece of Disneyland's 30th birthday party.
Every 30th guest, every 300th guest, 3,000th, 30,000th, 300,000th, and 3 million are going to win prizes. And they're really super presents. Everywhere from Disneyland passports to we'll be giving away about 400 General Motors cars, 1985 Chevys, Pontiacs, Buicks, Oldsmobiles, and Cadillacs during our birthday year.
The Gift Giver is only the opening act in a celebration that will run all year long, according to the head of Disneyland Entertainment, Despi.
We start off with an opening a celebration which includes a new parade, new shows, and a new general party atmosphere here at the park. Then come the May and June and July, we go into nighttime at Disneyland, followed by an international festival month, a salute to the original Mouseketeers, and followed up by what I think is the best time of all, Christmas time at Disneyland.
Art director Claire Graham has designed Disneyland's birthday atmosphere, including the 30th anniversary parade.
Mickey and Minnie would be on the front of the unit, singing and dancing. In the street around it, there have been a series of choreographed dancers planned in wardrobe. The music that goes along with the parade is very important. The focus of it is thank you, Mickey, thank you, Donald, Goofy, and all the rest for 30 wonderful years. Happy birthday, Disneyland.
Thousands of performers entertaining at Disneyland throughout the year get their direction from Barnette Ricci.
In the summer, we're going to have a special show that salutes Disneyland, since it's the 30th year. It's called Disneyland is Your Land, and it's a singing, dancing, musical variety show that incorporates all the characters into it, and it takes you on a musical journey through all the lands.
Disneyland's 30th birthday celebration began on January 1st.
Since you're our first 30,000th guest this year, you've just won a new 1985 Pontiac Sunbird. Congratulations!
The 30,000th guest, Julie Powell of Joplin, Missouri, won a new car. If there's one secret to Disneyland's longevity, it's that the cast and crew enjoy the show as much as the guests. And that will be especially true in 1985.
Oh yeah, it's going to be a party for our total cast and everybody that works here at Disneyland. All the hosts and hostesses, our management, everybody's excited about it. We want to have as much fun as our guests are going to have.